grow. Grow, peppers, grow. Grow, pumpkins, grow. Anyways, you're all good growing plants. That means that if there's a alarm, you gotta hide. So we're gonna practice this. Oh, you didn't listen. So, you can practice that yourself. So, I think all of you plants should grow. Grow, grow, grow.
Don't scare them now.
Do you like growing? So, if you want to grow, you can show us how beautiful you are. And you can grow. Does anyone know what this is? Yeah, it's a sunshine, but it's a sponge. Well, it looks like it. Would that be happy for you to be if this was sticking on the window? That be happy for you?
Yeah.
I like it. It looks like a sunshine. So you should grow as much as you can until you stop